Okay kids, we are going to school camping now.
Hooray!
Okay, let's go.
Now, we are here at the bus. I will sing the song.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all day long. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all day long. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 wah. The baby on the bus goes wah, wah, wah all day long. The bell on the bus goes ding, 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 ding. The bell on the bus goes ding, ding, ding all day long. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long, all day long, all day long.
Wow, Zachary, that's a very nice song.
Thank you, Russell Howard.
Okay kids, we are here at the camping. Now, let's go walk up the mountain. Alright kids, time to get some sticks to put the fire. Alright children, you get a log, now it's time to build a tent. Alright children, after dinner, we will sing a song. Now children, it's time to sing a song. Alright kids, next song is, Can You Feel the Love Tonight by Disney The Lion King.
There's a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of a rolling wind can't be turned away. An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? How it's led to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. There's a time for everyone, if they only learn that the twisting kaleidoscope moves us all in turn. There's a rhyme and reason to the wild outdoors, when the heart of the star-crossed Voyager beats in time with yours. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? How it's led to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best.
Next is, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, by Ivory Music. Okay children, time for bed. Good night children.
Good night, Russell Howard.
I got the torch.
Me too. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
Attention, children. No more laughing please.
Audrey, where are you going?
Russell Howard, I am a bit scared.
Oh, my daughter, would you like to come in?
Yes, please.
Children, do you want to come with me?
I'm okay to stay here.
Okay.
Russell Howard, can you sing a nursery rhyme song please?
Sure.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Good night.
All right kids. Singing is over. Good night Zachary, Emily, and Audrey.